In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promo code on Stripe. This is a simple process that will take about 5 minutes and is a great way to provide discounts to your customers or run special promotions. So let's get started right away. First, you need to navigate to Stripe's website, so open up your web browser and type in stripe.com. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button, typically found in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Stripe account. After entering your credentials, click sign in again to access your Stripe dashboard. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that process as well before you can proceed. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll land on the home page, which serves as a central hub for all your Stripe activities. From here, locate and click on Product Catalog in the side menu. This section allows you to manage your products and offers, including promo codes and coupons, which we're here to create today. Next, you want to navigate to the coupons section. You should see this option within the product catalog. When you click on it, you'll see an overview of existing coupons, but since we're creating a new one, look for the Create Coupon button and click on it. At this point, you'll need to fill out some basic details for your new promo code. First, input a descriptive name. This name should help you easily identify the promo and should be clear enough for internal referencing. Then select the type of discount you'd like to offer. Stripe allows you to choose between options like a fixed amount off, a percentage off, or even a free trial depending on your business needs and the promotion you want to run. Choose the option that best suits your promotional strategy. After selecting the discount type, set the duration of the coupon. You have choices like once, repeating, or forever. This determines how long customers can use the coupon for their purchases. Now move on to setting any redemption limits. This is where you say how many times a customer can use this coupon, or specify a global limit on the number of redemptions. Defining these limits can be a powerful tool to control the scope of your promotion. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on the Create Coupon button to save your new promo code. And there you have it. You've successfully added a promo code to your Stripe account. This process is a great way to engage with your customers and offer them additional value. Remember, managing and adjusting your promo codes from the Stripe dashboard is easy, so feel free to explore other features and tailor them to fit your business model. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial as many